Hi, Ben. What's the weather like today?
Hi, Alice. It's cold and snowy outside. Winter is here.
Burr, it sounds chilly. Do you like winter?
Yes, I do. I love playing in the snow and building snowmen.
That sounds like fun. What else do you like to do in winter?
I enjoy drinking hot cocoa and snuggling up with a warm blanket.
That sounds cozy. I like wearing my fluffy hat and gloves when it's cold outside.
Yeah, winter clothes are so warm and comfortable. Let's go play in the snow later.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's make snow angels and have a snowball fight.
Awesome, winter is so much fun.
Definitely. Let's enjoy it while it lasts.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. Do you like spring?
Yes, I love spring. The flowers are so pretty.
I agree. And the weather is getting warmer.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to go outside without a jacket.
Definitely. What do you like to do in spring?
I like to go for walks in the park and see all the flowers.
That sounds nice. I like to play soccer with my friends.
That sounds like fun. Maybe we can go to the park together sometime.
Yeah, that would be great. I'll ask my friends if they want to come too.
Awesome. Let me know when you're free.
Ew. See you later, Sarah.
Bye, Tom.
Hi, Jack. How are you?
Hi, Emily. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer. The sun is shining and it's warm outside.
Me too. I like going to the beach in summer.
That sounds fun. I like swimming in the pool with my friends.
That's cool. Do you have any plans for this summer?
Not yet. Maybe I'll go camping with my family.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm going to visit my grandparents.
That sounds nice too. Maybe we can share our summer stories when we come back.
Sure. I'd love to hear about your camping trip.
And I'd love to hear about your visit to your grandparents.
Okay, let's do that.
Sounds good. Well, I gotta go now. See you later, Emily.
Bye, Jack. Have a great day.
Hi, Jessica. How are you?
Hi, Samantha. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Do you like autumn?
Yes, I do. The leaves change color, and it's really pretty.
I agree. I like walking through the crunchy leaves.
Me too. And I love the cooler weather.
It's perfect for wearing cozy sweaters and scarves.
Definitely. Do you have any plans for autumn?
Not yet. Maybe I'll go apple picking with my family.
That sounds like fun. I might go hiking in the mountains.
That sounds nice too. We can share our autumn experiences later.
Sure. I'd like that.
Well, I have to go now. See you later, Jessica.
Bye, Samantha. Take care.